I'm recording this moment to see if it worked out. If it didn't, I'm gonna just do this in Swift UI and go back to hard coding this all and just working on my skills. Basically, it's a to do app. It's a to do app. I'm basically doing um just a little different, right? So this is like a great another great way for me to practice my Swift UI skills and just get better at Swift. But I prompted telling it to improve the UI, management, making the goals. You know, you can edit, delete them, you can mark them, you can show the image and description. So I might not, if this doesn't, this is last chance right here. So if it doesn't get it how I want it, I'm just gonna start more goals today and probably finish it tomorrow, and then also work on Mobooks today, which I think I can finish it today. Pretty sure. Uh, so the image still doesn't work. All right, so that I could have got working the first try. Um, progress. All right, let's see. If I go here, goal, add goal, it doesn't let me mark it complete. So it's a no go. It's a no go. I don't know how people are getting so good with AI, but that just goes to show like you better start practicing with these tools. And at the same time, you know, they're not even in a good spot right now. Like give it a year. Actually, not get maybe. I would say give it 2026. This thing will be fire. Like these tools will be awesome. I don't know why I did that. What's going on? Right. So this is what it came up with. You can add a goal here. You know the images don't work. But it has a stat sheet which I'm going to borrow. I told it to make it so you could delete the goals, but you can't. And when you create a goal, you should be able to mark it complete. I don't know why it's not listening to me. Also, it doesn't reflect. I don't know why the progress went to 100 and then it's not showing there. But task completed goals. Yeah. So I mean, at least I know what I want my app to look like, right? Like I know what the iOS app is going to look like. I think I'm gonna play around with tabs. Maybe I'll do an onboarding. I keep doing onboarding screens just because I'm trying to get into that habit of one knowing how to do it and just building. But Mogos is a fun little app. This experience kind of low key made me wanna try to attempt the other apps, and I'm a little bummed out because I just spent $20 for something that isn't all that good. I was really hoping like, yo, this thing is really gonna do something, but and it's using Claude. I'm pretty sure it's using Claude because it brought us to Anthropic when we asked what are tokens, and Claude, people have been saying that Claude 3.5 Sonnet is the best at coding. I've not been having that much of experience. It's great for creating UI, but not all that. Mo apps was a Mac OS app. Nah, I'm not gonna build these, and this is for next year. I'm gonna stick. What's the other apps? Mo questions, honeycomb, expiration tracker. Yeah. We're not gonna do that because the main goal for this year is to make money, and the apps that I believe are gonna make money is Cali, um, Mo Foods, and uh, the ones that I think will make some money are these two, and maybe Verse Audio if I do it right. Maybe Mobooks, maybe like $2 a month for Mobooks. But yeah, I'm bummed out. Do I recommend Bolt? I recommend it for prototyping. Just like, oh yeah, look at that. I don't know how people are doing it. Introducing Bolt app support. You can now go from idea to app store just by prompting Bolt. No coding necessary. It's hard headed. This thing is hard headed. Like, yo, it just won't get it. Maybe I have to do one at a time, but then I'm using up my tokens, like, because this thing doesn't want to do it. Like, it's best to just go in here and just code it, just start doing that. But it's been a minute. It's been a minute playing around with React Native, JavaScript. My mind is in Swift right now, and I'm about to just get back into React and Next.js because I gotta build Cali. All right, let's see. Make it so task can be marked completed. Um, mm, like a toggle when you mark it. When you mark it done or not done. This thing is hard headed, y'all. I don't know if anybody at Bolt is watching this thing. I mean, it's very cool. It's very dope. I know y'all working really hard. It's just it's not perfect. It's very hard headed. It doesn't want to listen to me. Am I using this right? Am I using this right? This should actually hold up. Oh no. Device preview. Uh oh, okay. You can see the preview right here, y'all. So it got the icons here, but on the iOS app, is you just can't see it. Just can't see it. All right. Let's see. Okay, so it does great with this. Um, let's say gym. Go to the gym. More. You're gonna create this goal, and when you go to my goal, it's not there, right? That's the problem, and this doesn't reset, so, right? It's like kind of basic. But when you go here, now you see it, and now you can see this. Okay, okay. Now it's listening. I don't know what's going on, but it seems like it's listening now. Let's cancel this, and let's say uh, do work. I'm gonna add it. Okay. Oh, okay. It's working. It's working. It's working. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Am I but maybe this QR code isn't the most up to date one or something? Still I can build a better looking app than this, but we'll just rock with it, y'all. We'll just go with it. So we'll do this. I guess it's great for web, but it's not doing too well with like I can't delete it on here. So let's try. Look, see, like it won't work when I want to do that. Let's do testing, create goal. It won't show up instantly on the page. You gotta like go to different pages, or I think let me see if I can close out the app. Yeah, this thing works great on the web, but on my phone, this thing is buns. I don't know what's going on. No, this can't be right. Hold on. All right, I got something for y'all. The preview looks good here. We create the goal. See, it doesn't show up here. It doesn't clear it on the screen, but it's not until what? Maybe if I refresh it. Yeah, now you see it right here, right? And now this thing is cleared. And then you can go here. You can add a task, travel. You can click add, and then you kind of mark it done for the goal. You can see it. It's still not reflected here, but it is reflected on the progress stat. And it's not until you refresh it, now you got it. And it got the date. That's cool. All right, so this is great for prototyping. This is not what you want to use, in my opinion, um, to build apps yet. Yet. I mean, you could. I don't know. Apple might be like, "What the heck did you just submit to the App Store?" Maybe Google will let anything go. I mean, they've been kind of weird lately. But I'm just bummed out. Like, I don't know if I'm prompting this wrong because everyone else is making cool stuff with this thing, and I'm just like not getting the same result. Creators of the best React Native tooling and ecosystem in the world both integrated, eliminates the traditional barrier. This is great, and it's going to get better. Does it actually publish to the App Store? It sure does. This means that adding the app to the App Store will literally take more time than creating the app. The App Store requires 100 plus clicks to answer all the questions with many hoops you have to jump through. This is somewhat true. Uh, my experience with publishing to the this is I feel like this is true for Google. For iOS, kind of. I've haven't had that like once you come kind of submit to the App Store plenty of times, you kind of like get the gist of like, all right, I know what's needed. So it doesn't really take too much time. This was on the 12th. It's the 15th right now. Works for Android, or yep, definitely works for both. The live updates on device, man. This is like I think Expo has one of the best developer experiences ever because the fact that I can just scan a QR code and just check it live updates as I code on my phone is just crazy. This is a wave of shitty apps is coming. It definitely is, but it doesn't have to be. I think what we're gonna see is like for me, I built the expense tracker app and the roommate app because I needed those things. I think what we're gonna see is people who will take the initiative to build their own apps that solve their own problems instead of looking or paying for someone else to build it, or looking for a product that's already been built. But you're still going to see plenty of customers who are just like, it doesn't matter what tools you make, people are going to be lazy, and they're still going to pay someone to do something for them or pay for something that solves their problem. But this is nah, he's not wrong. Hey, I guess this is right for the last tweet. Wasn't there for T-shirt. Da da da. First attempt, tested the no-code promise work tracker app, ran into immediate problems when using Expo. I got right into it. Let's see what people have said. The starting point where I'm going to go through the template creation process too. I assume is using Expo Go, so you're not able to scan the barcode. So sick, and then making promises like this that are obviously not currently attainable for general populace. Glad you're proving them wrong in the problem. In Expo world, compatible dependency. Are you high with this comment? I'm telling you that it's trying to get a package. I don't know what the heck people are trying to do. Gonna end this immediately. MacBook toll required. Not quite. It's a cross-platform tool. This just got this just my feelings. Web container startup. Hey Bolt, based on your information provided, here's a response to your query. I'm just mad I paid $20. But it's a great to experiment. Actually, I'm not mad because this is great to try out ideas. All right, y'all. That's the end for the video. I spent all night coding native just to see this. Although, anyway, lazy AI makes scaling apps seamless without touching the code. Let's see what this guy built. People are doing some cool things. Text to app. We went from low code to no code, or no code, low code to low code. I don't know. Limited testing, editing, prototyping plan. You're gonna see a lot of stuff like this, and you're gonna see a lot of crappy apps. But this is great for MVPs. All right, I'm gonna end the video here. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the app I wanted. However, I do know how I'm gonna build this thing now, and it can take me a day. I just have to sit down and actually code it. But um, yeah, just gotta sit down and actually do the work. All right, let's get started, y'all. Do I recommend it? Yes, but don't subscribe. Don't subscribe until they fix this and make it better. All right. So what I want to say. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on more books. Really simple. Just track how many books you read and completed, and a little stat sheet that I'm gonna put behind a paywall with Revenue Cat for like 99 cents a month. But this is gonna be really cool and fun to make. And originally I was gonna add an API to so you could just look up the book by its ISBN or whatever, or just search up books. But now this is MVP We're launching MVPs here. We're not trying to, go all in. We're just trying to launch stuff and see what. And once it's out there, then we can just build. But yeah, all right, let's get started.